Welcome to a place where history meets heart and where every detail tells a story of passion and perseverance. Robin Delaney, a trusted real estate expert with over 20 years of experience, isn't just helping others find their dream homes, she's living hers. Robin's journey in real estate goes beyond transactions. It's about building futures, preserving legacies, and creating spaces where memories are made. Her own historic farmhouse restoration is a testament to her love for craftsmanship, design, and the beauty of preserving history. With a passion for restoring historic homes, Robin has poured her heart into breathing new life into this charming property. Every corner reflects her dedication, from the carefully selected finishes to the meticulous preservation of the farmhouse's original character. Restoring this farmhouse wasn't just about preserving its past, it was about creating a home that embraces the future. It's the same philosophy that she brings to her clients in real estate, honoring their dreams while helping them build lasting legacies. Whether restoring a historic gem or helping you find your dream home, Robin Delaney combines expertise, passion, and a personal touch to make every journey extraordinary. With Robin, it's more than real estate. It's about creating homes and building futures.